So that's pretty much my opinion on the grunge subculture in a nutshell.
I mean, yeah, most of those points make sense. You ever notice how staplers are kind of like those old Morse code machines?
How do you mean?
A telegraph. It's like a telegraph receiver. You see, like.
Okay, I see it. I guess.
Stop the presses. Fresh message coming in from the West. Western Union arriving with a package at sometime tonight.
Scratch that, DC. Western Union isn't coming. Great Chicago Fire just started a blaze.
Yeah. Let's see. Mrs. O'Leary, something about a cow. Kick the lantern.
Oh my God! They're evacuating. The whole city is ablaze.
Yeah.
Mass hysteria.
Yeah. Wait. What's this? Everybody's dead? Nowhere is safe? They're coming. Who's they? Aliens! Attacking, invading! God, bloodthirsty? No one is safe. They? Who is? Where?
Alex.
This is the end of the world as we know it!
Alex.
Goodbye, cruel world!
Alex, give me my stapler! Jeez, I just had to staple my paper. Didn't mean to ruin your pretend time.
Ah!
Hey, Bloody Larry.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Ah!